how to make $5,000 to $10,000 this month selling stuff for Halloween. See, Halloween is going to bring in $10 billion. People are going to buy lights. They're going to buy costumes. They're going to buy cups. They're going to buy outside decor, indoor decor. They're going to buy stuff for their children. They're going to buy candy. They're going to buy stuff for the school. They're going to buy stuff for the kids. They're going to buy stuff for the job. They're going to buy Dunkin' Donuts. They're going to buy, everything. Okay? Lights, costumes all day. All adults love to have costume parties. Kids love to have costume parties. When I started my e-commerce business 7 years ago, I started on Amazon and made $5,000 my first month. My very first month. And I didn't even know exactly what I was doing, right? I was just literally learning, and I just did what they told me to do. And I made $5,000. That changed my life. That changed the way I looked at making money, because I was used to doing affiliate marketing. I was used to doing MLM, where you had to recruit people and, hope they pay their auto ship and hope people recruit people. E-commerce, all you're doing is copying and pasting through drop shipping. All you're doing is copying and pasting. Honestly, that's all you're truly doing is copying and pasting and making money, right? See, some people are depressed right now. So you need to turn that depression into direct deposits. Okay, some of you guys are depressed right now. You suffer from depression. You suffer from anxiety. You need to turn that depression into direct deposit. Okay, and the time is now, friends. So you can sell outside decor, right? You can sell stuff, for the inside. You can sell costumes. You can sell stuff for the hair, right? You can sell those cat glasses. You can sell outfits. You can sell little tutus for Halloween, right? You can sell the lights, the LED lights that goes around, right? You can sell the ones that hang. You can sell those big cats, those big skeletons. I mean, the list goes on and on, friends. The list goes on and on. But you got to get yourself in position now. You got to get yourself to doing this stuff now, okay? Literally, friends, the time is now. Drop shipping, okay, is $100 billion industry. $100 billion industry, guys. I was able to tap into this industry 6-7 years ago. One of my mentors said, you should get into e-commerce. Then I found another mentor and said, oh, you should get into Amazon. He got me into Shopify. She got me into Amazon. And I found another mentor and said, oh, let me show you eBay. She showed me how to get into eBay. Started making money on eBay. Started making money on Shopify. Started making money on Amazon. Then the money just kept rolling in. I'm like, oh, shoot. Let me help some people. Now I teach people how to sell on Amazon. I teach people how to sell on eBay. I teach people how to sell on Shopify and build their own brands. It's called the pink drink. It gives me energy. What? So if you got one job is close to zero. If your job lays you off, what is your plan to make an additional $5,000 to $10,000 this month? Zara just closed in New York. H&M just closed in New York. The Container Store just closed in New York City. You get all that shit on Amazon now. You don't even have to go to the store anymore. So Amazon has 51% of the market share of the e-commerce. It's more than Walmart, Target, eBay, Sears, the malls, everybody put together. Amazon is 51%. And the rest of the big retailers are sharing 49%. Excuse me? What? And you don't want to get a piece of the pie? Amazon is a $2 trillion market cap company, and you don't want to get a piece of the pie and go make $5,000 to $10,000? And $5,000 to $10,000 is just the starting of e-commerce. Because 1,000 is easy, 2,000 is easy, 3,000 is easy, 4,000, 5,000 is easy, right? This is the starting. How many people got to work their job for 40 hours, 60 hours a week just to make $5,000 a month? Nah. If I could show you how to spend 2 hours a day listing 10 items a day on Amazon or eBay or even Facebook, right? Because Facebook is the new Craigslist. If I can show you how to spend 2 hours a day listing items, making $5,000 a month, would you listen? Would you listen? But you got to invest in yourself. And my courses are not even expensive, right? They not. My courses are under $500, right? Under $400. I got bundles where you can get for under $300. But you got to invest in yourself. Would you spend $300 or would you spend $500 to learn how to make $5,000? Right? The choice is yours. See, rich people think, what can I spend or invest and what will I make? Poor people say, oh, no, I'm not going to spend that money because I don't know if I'm going to make any money. Okay, well, that's why poor people stay poor, and that's why wealthy people keep getting wealthy, right? So, the time is now, though, friends. It's Q4, right? 2023 is around the corner. If you're singing the same song in 2022, you're going to sing the same song in 2023. My hands is itching. If you're singing the same song in 2022, you're going to sing the same song in 2023. But you got to get started, friends, and the time is now. I'll see you guys in class.